Here, this is my bike. I'm gonna do a bike check. I'll start from the front. I got fly finos in red and black. Got them from a friend. Animal Bob 3.0 bars for Demolition F1 stem. Flipped upside down for extra height because I didn't really like the way it felt when I ran it normally. Stock Cane Creek headset. Stocks Eastern forks, painted them white. I got a stolen Thermalite peg, Eastern classic front hub, stock spokes, and stock Eastern front rim. Then I got an 09 Eastern traildigger frame, stock Eastern cranks, a Colony pivitol seat post, a duo row status seat, Eastern CFRP pedals, 23 tooth Colony guettler sprocket, purple KMC chain. For my rear wheel, I have a Colony contour rim, laced with Primo forged 14 gauge spokes, laced to a Primo mix cassette hub with a 9-tooth driver. Then I have a stolen Thermalite peg, and both tires are Animal Tom Whitewall tires, 20 by 2.20. Pretty nice tires, nice and fat. And for the frame, not really a good frame. As you can see, it's pretty bent by the chain stays. Gets kind of flat. I guess that's just the chain stays. And that's my bike.